Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to my second review of Smart Desktop AI. This is an important video because on this video, sorry, just give me one quick second here. Just gotta make sure everything's good. Sorry, I had to make sure my microphone was still plugged in. So you remember yesterday in yesterday's video, I did say that I was going to release. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my camera in the right spot here. So you'll notice that I said that I was going to make a resource page for everyone to start recruiting, so that they can start getting $60 a month. And I did, in fact, create my page for you guys. Now, they're still updating the site. So when this went free to join, the servers have gone wild and they haven't had enough time to really um, figure out through the referral links and stuff. They haven't been able to figure out the affiliate commissions and stuff. So this is still pending. And I haven't received anything yet because, like, I have gotten people to my link, but the thing is that they're having such an override right now. It's taking a while. They did, however, update the site. There's now a school group, and I believe that's like they have live. What's it called? They have live thingies, live Zoom calls. So they got live Zoom calls. I think it was every week or something. This is $2 a month though. If you want to sign up to it, that's optional. I'm thinking about doing it because why not learn how to do this completely? It's a free website. I mean, really, for $2 a month to get this, it's not much. It's a free site that you can play around with. And then they also have a Telegram group, which I'm thinking about joining. I do have Telegram now, but excuse me, I don't really use it a whole lot. So, anyway, in this video, though, I'm going to have a resource page in the description and the comments for you so that you can go out and start generating some income. And I'll get to that in a minute, but I just want to quickly go through this. So first of all, you can see by my system that we've already emailed 94 leads. Okay, so this is working to get leads to the system, and we've already emailed 94. So in a 24-hour period, I did have 50 leads, and now we're working on 94, or we're on 94 now. So probably by 24 hours again, we'll have another 50 leads, and that'll be 100 leads. So that works out to be the 50 leads a day that the system gives you. So that's pretty cool. Now, of course, this is all still in beta, so don't come in expecting to have this 100% operational yet, because they are still in beta and they're still working through everything. The site has just changed to a free membership, so I mean, things are kind of a little all over the place. Like the commissions right now aren't coming in yet because they're still they're still working. Like I said, through the there was a big influx the other day on the 29th when they announced that it's going free. There was a big influx, and I mean, I saw emails going out left, right, and center on safe list websites. There were emails going out about it. There were ads popping up everywhere for it. It went nuts. People were doing YouTube videos. There were reviews going out, like review websites and stuff were posting blogs about it, and it just went nuts. So when I say that these commissions are taking a bit to come in because of the influx of people, I'm serious about that it was because of an influx of people. What I've gone and done, though, is I've gone and developed a small funnel for you guys that you guys can get for free that will possibly bring in not just the commissions from Smart Desktop AI from getting referrals under you and getting $15 on top of the $60. Now, I didn't explain that yet, but when you get a free referral to this website, it's all thanks to an investor who invested $1 million into this software. Basically, that investor invested $1 million, and the company decided, instead of going out and advertising for Smart Desktop AI, they decided to turn that around and hire affiliates like us to go out and recruit for this new awesome software. And originally it was $187 a month. They dropped it to $20 a month, and now, or sorry, $20 one-time fee. Sorry, it was $187 a month, and then it went down to $20 one-time fee, and now it's free. So they switched that because what they said was, you think about how affiliate marketing works. Someone comes up with an idea, and then eventually someone else will follow suit, and someone else will follow suit, and someone else will follow suit. But they'll go and make other things that are kind of like this, but they'll go and start benefiting off of it by making things that are paid by month. They'll make things that are it's kind of ridiculous, because it's like, wow, so you go and take someone else's idea, and of course you do make it better, and they do change things about that specific software, but they go and they go and do things like they'll go and make a monthly cost on it so that affiliates benefit off of it, they benefit off of it, and it's just ridiculous. So the company said, to combat that, we're going to make this free. Then people can come in and join, and they'll still make the same income that they're going to make. So when someone joins up for free under you, you're going to still make your $60 from that one referral. You're going to make $15 a month from that referral from the company. They're going to send you $15 a month just for that referral joining under you. Okay, whether they use the system or not, you're still going to get $15 a month, and that they don't pay a thing. Okay, and you're probably sitting there going, well, how are they going to be able to afford that? $1 million is a lot of money, guys. Just saying. Now, keep in mind that after that, this is limited time, by the way. This is free for a limited time. I'm seeing everyone saying that apparently it's been released, that this is a limited time offer. So, just give me 1 second. Sorry, guys, my phone decided to go off in the middle of that. That was horrible. So, basically, it's free for a limited time. So if you don't get in on this now, you're going to be kicking yourself later when there's like a $30 a month fee or whatever they decide to do. And that's going to suck for those that didn't get in. So this is limited time. You need to get in now to Smart Desktop AI. And Smart Desktop AI is blowing up everywhere. Like I said, I've been scouring the internet, and I've seen videos about it. I've seen blogs. I've seen everything. This is going crazy, and that's why I've developed a resource page that's going to help you guys develop your own income stream. And it's actually going to get you more money than what Smart Desktop AI is giving you, because I've got Smart Desktop AI incorporated into it, but then we're also going to be having a couple of other income streams that could possibly happen. Now, those income streams are free to join, but if people want to upgrade, they can. And that gives you another potential to earn more money, because when they see the value in those things, they may upgrade and give you more money. So there's also a possibility of getting some more income. So basically, we're so far right now, it's showing not applicable because they are still working. I saw something online today that said that they're still working on trying to get everyone situated and trying to get the commissions out there. So anyone that's joined under me in the past day or two, they aren't showing up yet, unfortunately. So I don't have anything yet. So it says. It is that probably there, and it's just, like I said, they're still working on this site. It's going nuts, and I mean it's going nuts. So yeah, I've added, so they've added this to the site as well, like the school group and the Telegram, and then of course the desktop AI is still the same as it was before. So Smart Desktop AI they're still building it, because this wasn't there yesterday. So these two things are brand new, and this affiliate update thing was not there either. So so we've got almost 100 leads, so that's working. Probably if I refresh the page, it might be up to like 95, 96, somewhere in there, because I know I've got like an hour before it goes based off of a full 24-hour day. So basically in 24 hours, it doesn't quickly go out and like get leads for you like but they're still developing the site. So don't come into this thinking that the site's going to be like ready and like, they're still in beta. They're still working on this site. It's still brand new, but the investors saw the big potential of this great site. All right, without further ado, let's get to the resource page. So this is on my back office, but I'm just going to quickly show you what I've done. So the resource page that you guys are going to see is exactly this, except with this stuff on the side, okay? You're going to see this page, and I strongly suggest that you go to the description or the links down below, okay? It'll be in the description or the comment section. And what it's basically doing is I've got it so that this resource page will earn you some extra income. Okay, if people decide to upgrade in some of the other things that I've got. So what I've done is I gave a little bit of a speech at the start. You're about to get access to the best thing that hit the internet since sliced bread. Follow these steps in order to start getting free referrals to sign up under you and start receiving $60 each for those referrals, plus an extra $15 a month just for them being a free member. Okay, and then plus this funnel will get you possibly earning extra income for the referrals to other sites. So first of all, I've got the Join Smart Desktop AI here for free, and then all you have to do is follow the directions. There are video tutorials. I've made video tutorials on this page. So everything pretty much has a video tutorial so that you won't get lost. If you do need help, at the bottom of the resource page, I did add a little bit about like my email and things like that, and it'll just teach you some different income sources that you can possibly get. So that being said, that's the resource page, and this is highly recommended that you use this resource page to the best, like to the full extent, because you guys will be able to do the same thing and recruit with this same resource page. You'll be able to use the same resource page for your own stuff, and you'll be able to recruit people to your Smart Desktop AI, and you'll also be able to recruit to these other sites via the tutorial videos. Okay, so all you have to do is watch the tutorial videos, learn how I do everything, and it'll show you everything that you need to know. Okay, so if you do get lost, though, feel free to give me a shout out. Okay, but this is 100% going to work, and this is a great way to earn some extra income. Potentially on this page, there is about, if you get some upgrades, you could see potentially, and there's also an added bonus too that I forgot to mention. There's an extra added bonus. So you get a bonus if you join me in promoting this. You will get an extra added bonus as well as this resource page, which is right here, and it tells you as much that I put this little bonus together for you. And then all you need to do is, like I said, join all these different things and follow the tutorial videos and things like that. And yeah, so this is what I did for you guys. I put this together. It took me it actually took me since this morning to put this together. I've been working nonstop today on this, and I am like plain tired. I'm very tired from working on this. I've been working all day on it, and it's just been crazy. So, sorry, this person keeps calling me back, and it's just, wow. So anyway, so yeah, just follow the resource page, follow it 100% the way I set it up here. And make sure you watch every single video right through. Don't skip anything, because there is information all throughout each video. And if you do skip, you're going to miss stuff, and then you're going to end up giving me referrals and commissions and things like that. This is for you guys to earn extra income. And by the end of this, if people do sign up and they end up buying into some of these other things, you can earn a potential of about maybe $200 recurring income every month, potentially. And then you can earn at least, I'm just guessing, but you can earn around maybe $300 one-time fee between each thing too. So that's that's a big income source. I put this together to make sure you guys had enough things that are in place so that you guys can start earning some income. And actually, I might be wrong on that. I'm kind of just spitballing. I might even be wrong on that. But the income will be extra income. Okay, so it's extra income on top of this lovely thing up here, which is Smart Desktop AI. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy this resource page. Use it to the best of your ability. Use it to the fullest of your ability. Make sure you use it. Make sure you go out there and recruit. Get in on this now, because when the free is gone and it's no longer limited time and it's gone, that's it. You miss out. That's it. That's done. You'll have to pay for it in the future. And I don't want you guys to have that happen. I want you guys to get in on the ground floor. Okay. And with this resource page, you can do that. Okay. You guys have a great day, and thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, share this video, and make sure you hit the bell notification and to get notifications when I release a new video. You guys have a great day, and cheers.